Hello students, how are you all? Students, today we are going to study reported speech, that is how to change direct into indirect speech of imperative sentences. Now what are imperative sentences? Students, those sentences which express command, order, request, advice, suggestion, etc. are said to be as imperative sentences. Now, converting direct into indirect speech of imperative sentences is very simple. Now, let us see one example first. He said to me, comma, inverted comma start, switch on the computer. Full stop, inverted comma close. Now students, in my previous video, I have already told you this said to is said to be as the reporting verb and this portion which is embedded within inverted commas, it is said to be as reported speech. So I hope this is clear. Now this subject he is the reporter, said to is the reporting verb, and this portion which is put within inverted commas is the reported speech. Now students, when we convert direct into indirect of imperative sentences, here you see our reporting verb said to. It changes into requested, ordered, told, advised, commanded, etc. as per your statement. And students, see, sometimes what happens, no? Looking at the statement, you people get confused whether to use ordered or advised or told. In such case, I advise you to simply write told. If you are confused what option should be put there, then write told, no problem at all. Now students, let us convert this statement into indirect speech. He said to me, switch on the computer. Now he is commanding me, ordering me to switch on the computer. So here we will write he. In place of said to, we are going to replace said to with ordered. He ordered me. After this, we are going to remove this comma which is separating the reporting verb and the reported speech, and also the inverted commas. In indirect speech, you always have to remove this comma as well as inverted commas. Now students, he ordered me. Here we are going to insert infinitive to. And as you know, to is always followed with first form of verb which is already given here in our reported speech, that is switch on. He ordered me to. Now we are going to copy this with only one change. See, in reported speech, this first letter is always capital. But when we change this into indirect speech, this will become small. To switch on the computer. So isn't it easy? What you have to do? In place of said to, you have to write ordered, requested, commanded as per your statement, and then remove comma and inverted commas, and in its place put to, and then copy the remaining sentence. Of course, convert this first letter into small. And students, if you are changing a negative statement in imperative sentences, negative starts with don't. So that don't will be replaced with not to. Okay students. Now one thing more, how will you identify that this particular sentence is an imperative sentence? So usually what is the structure of a sentence? First we write the subject, after that the helping verb, and then the main verb. For example, I play football, he is going to market. But here you see the sentence starts with the verb itself. So when the sentence starts with the verb, it means it is an imperative sentence. So there we have to use these in place of the reporting verb. We have to simply remove comma and inverted comma and put to in its place. I hope this is clear. Now let's see some more examples. I said to him, comma, inverted comma start, work hard. Full stop, inverted comma, close. Now students, how are we going to change this? Once again, this reporting verb is to be changed. So now, I said to him work hard. It means I am advising him to work hard. So here, how to convert this into indirect speech? I said to here will be changed into advised or suggested. I advised him, remove comma and inverted comma and put to. Now work hard. Here W is capital. Here we are going to convert this into small. To work hard. Isn't it simple? Now one more example. I said to him, kindly give me a lift. Now students, if your reported speech begins with kindly or please, then it is obvious that it is a request. So students, let us see how to convert this. Now here we are going to replace said to with requested. I requested him, remove comma and inverted comma and also kindly. Why? Because we have used requested here, so no need to say kindly or please once again. I requested him to give me a lift. Now students, let's see one negative sentence also. My father said, comma, inverted comma start, don't go near the fire. अब बेटा आपको पता है पापा लोग तो हमेशा एडवाइस ही देते हैं. So here also our reporting verb is going to be converted into advised. So it is understood father is advising me only. So my father advised me. Now this don't will be converted into not to. This you have to remember. Not to go near the fire. Okay students, Let's see one more example. The captain said to the soldiers, attack the enemy. Full stop, inverted comma, close. Now how are we going to convert this into indirect speech? So now the captain is giving an order, the captain is commanding the soldiers. So here said to will be converted into command, commanded. The captain commanded the soldiers to attack the enemy. So students, I hope conversion of imperative sentences is very easy. So you all must have understood how to convert direct into indirect speech. And after this students, I'm going to put one exercise for you that you are going to solve, and also at the end of the video you are going to find the answers of my previous video. And thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have understood it well, and keep watching, and please give your comments in the comment section. Students, I hope this concept of converting imperative sentences into indirect speech is quite clear to you. Now at the end of the video, you are going to find one exercise. You can solve it, and you will come to know whether you have understood it well or not. And also you are going to find the answers to my previous video. Students, thank you very much for watching this video. And if you like this video, please press the thumbs up button and also give your precious comments in the comment section. Students, your likes and comments are very important for me. They encourage me to bring more such videos for you. And if you are a new viewer, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.